This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 18 of building the Eleanor, another self-contained door issue, this one. We've got the door that we put the bits on last time, and the bit from before that where we put the window on that one. We're sort of combining everything together now. First of all, we're going to be fitting the window winder that doesn't actually do anything, using a teeny tiny screw. Grab just one of those out of that pack, that would be lovely. There it is. I shall use a teeny tiny screwdriver for that because, you know, it makes sense, doesn't it? So that's going to go in there, and that goes over here. It does have a sort of keying in position, so you can only get it the one way round, and that way round is like so. And the screw goes in from the other side to hold that in place. So far, so good. It starts off nice and easy and then gets easier, but more able for me to screw it up completely. Right, then we need two of these screws, which will hold the bottom panel in place. That back out of the way. Going to stick with the small screwdriver for that, I think. So this goes on the bottom like so, and adds our little detail bit down there. So that screw goes in there, like that. And the other one, get out, there it is, goes in the other side. Sure it's still in the right place. Yep. Now, there's no chance to come back and do these later. I've got to do these now because we won't be able to get to the inside of this in a moment, because we are fitting this to there. We've got two screw holes there, two screw holes there, which will fit the bill. It locks in place over there. We can get the two screws out from here. Keep all the others safe for later, maybe. You never know when you might need a spare. So yeah, one in there. Feel right that's going in. Feel something, but I'm not sure if what I'm feeling is what I think I'm feeling. Yeah, there we go. That's definitely going in there. So let's get the other one in and tighten down as well. There we go. That's that. Hold that door panel in place nice and securely. Make sure they're tightened up because you're not going to be able to get back to them after the next step, which is clipping in place the decorative piece. It goes sort of behind those. That right out of the way. Under there and behind there. And then that will, if I can get it right, come on, let's try that way. Might be a little bit easier that side, might not. go. That's that and that. And they clip in place like so. Then you can move that to wherever you need it to be. The door handle bit should move. Or it will. There we go. It's trapped a little bit behind. So there we go. That is another door completed, ready to be installed onto the body of the car when we get the body of the car. But that is that for this month's delivery. Another door, nice and done. So thank you for watching. Stick around for more soon, or other part works in between times. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.